Thanks, y'all.
Okay.
Just yell it out to Darcel.
And action!
This video is sponsored by HBO. I know, life is good. So I'm a really big fan of Westworld. I mean, it has robots, cowboy boots, and Evan Rachel Wood. In no world does those three things add up to something that's not great. And I've made this scheme to swoon HBO into letting me on the show. I call it my swoon scheme. Swoon scheme. It sounds like I'm mispronouncing another word. Swoon scheme. Here's my plan. I'm gonna build an animatronic robot version of myself that looks like one of the hosts that they have on the show. And then I'm gonna send the video of it to HBO and they're gonna watch it and they're gonna be like, wow, SimOne, we could like really use someone like you on the show. Like you're smart and cool. Wanna hang out? HBO, I'm gonna swoon you with my skills. I watched all of season 1 a while back, but I need to like binge watch it again just to brush up on my Westworld knowledge. I'm doing very important work over here. They're like moving their arms, talking, walking. There's a lot. I think I'm gonna choose like 2 of those things that mine can do. Not that I couldn't do it, but just we're in a tight schedule. Maybe talking and moving arms? I don't know, this is like a medical doll of some sort. I just feel like if I was a doctor, I wouldn't want my patients to have this facial expression. I don't know why they decided to have this one. SimOne, SimTwo. You're not gonna be able to tell the difference at the end of this. I also brought my makeup kit. Hi, welcome to SimOne's beauty vlog. Just a little bit like that. It just gives you so you look a little bit more alive, which is great if you're a dead plastic doll. Simple, fast, fashion. Oh. So when you cut hair, you want to make sure that you cut as much as possible at the same time, just to get it all at the same length. Oh. No, you look great. I don't know what you're talking about. Prepare yourselves to be amazed. Ta-da! We're just gonna make the arms move and the head. I mean, first of all, we need to put the head back on. I think that's the main thing that's missing. Do you know where you are?
I'm in a dream. They say that the great beasts once roamed this world. Biggest mountains. The newcomers are just looking for the same thing we are. A place to be free to stake out our own dreams. A place with unlimited possibilities. Some people choose to see the ugliness in this world, the disarray. I choose to see the beauty. It's a difficult thing, realizing your entire life is some hideous fiction. There are things in me, things I was designed to do that are just out of my reach. Someone once told me that there's a path for everyone. My path leads me back to you. Lifelike, but not alive. pain always exists in the mind. It's always imagined. So what's the difference between my pain and yours? Between you and me? There aren't two versions of me. There's only one. And I think when I discover who I am, I'll be free.
Open up. Close down. May you rest in a deep and dreamless slumber. I think that went well. HBO, call me or tweet me. I'll just be here binge watching season 1 with my friend. Oh, yeah. Hey! I can't take her cheeks. Thank you so much for watching this video. And thanks HBO for sponsoring it. You upset that I used all of the money to film an audition tape for you to hire me? I'm not. If you haven't watched Westworld season 1 yet, watch it. Season 2 is just around the corner. And also season 1 is like really good. Doesn't have SimTwo in it, but it's still really good. Okay, bye!